Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about PHP. It will be an introduction. Before going into the topic, I would suggest you to do online seminars on some of the topics which you can easily relate to, or otherwise I'll allocate some of the topics to you that you can easily do on online seminars. You can do it with your friend cam on, or you can off the front camera. It is optional. So this app is called DU Recorder. You can easily get it in Google Play Store, or you can get it is available in open source also in the internet. So now coming into the topic, what is PHP? PHP is an acronym for PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. The second thing is PHP is widely used open source scripting language. As you know, what is a scripting language? The next thing is PHP scripts are executed on the server. So itself it is clear that this PHP program is used only in the servers. Next thing is PHP is free to download and use. Next thing, PHP is an amazing and popular language. It is powerful enough to be at the core of biggest blogging system on the web. Second thing, it is deep enough to run the large social network. As you aware that the big social network thing we are doing regularly is the FB, as the Facebook. The next thing is it is also easy enough to be a beginner's first server-side language. So this PHP program is the beginner's program to learn easily about the server-side language. Now, what is a PHP file? A PHP file can consist of text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP code. As you know that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these all the scripting codes which we were used in the first unit to create websites. And number two is the PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as plain HTML. Next thing, the PHP file have extensions like code.php. Now, what can PHP do? So number one is the PHP can generate dynamic page content. Two is PHP can create, open, read, write, delete, close files on the server. Number three, PHP can collect form data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. With PHP, you are not limited to output HTML. You can output images, PDF files, even flash movies. You can also output any text such as XHTML and XML. These things XHTML and XML are you previously have been studied these things. Next thing, why PHP? Why not others and why PHP? The PHP runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, OS, etc. PHP is compatible with almost all the servers used today. So as you aware that the servers, free servers available are, servers means server softwares, which is Apache, IIS, etc. and few others. Next thing, PHP supports a wide range of databases that you know that MySQL is a database and few other databases. PHP is free. Download it from official PHP resource. The website is given www.php.net. The next thing is PHP is easy to learn and run efficiently on the server side. The next is what's new in PHP 7. The PHP 7 is the recent version, and what are the things they are updated in PHP 7, which we are going to see below. Number 1, PHP 7 is much faster than the previous popular stable release of PHP 5.6. Number 2, PHP 7 has an improved error handling technique. PHP 7 support stricter type declaration for function arguments. PHP 7 supports new operators like spaceships operator, which is indicated like greater than, less than, in between, equal to.